Welcome back to the world of eco-friendly illumination with the Trio Up and Down Solar Wall Light and the Trio Up and Down Solar Wall Light Mini set of 2. In this video, we are going to unpack and answer all of your questions regarding this light, tell you what comes in the box, and if you stick around to the end, we'll give you a really great promo code to get these lights too. Let's get going. Let's start off with the Trio Up and Down Solar Wall Light. This product has 6 LEDs in total, 3 at the top and 3 at the bottom, and 80 lumens of illumination. The LED colour of this light is warm white. It is built to withstand UK winters and features a nifty power saving mode. And everything you need to install this light comes in the box, just make sure you have a screwdriver handy. In the box we have the instructions. We have the screws to install, we have a cardboard template so you can line up exactly where the screws need to go, and finally we have the Trio Up and Down Solar Wall Light. Now the design on this is really interesting. All you see is a solar panel until it gets dark. Mounting the light is very simple. You use the template, line it up with the wall, screw the screws into place, and then slot it into place like so. And all you have to do to turn this light on is press the button on the back of the solar panel. So if you press this once, you get the full brightness mode. If you press it again, you'll get the power saving mode, and once more for off. This light is completely cable free and 100% solar powered. And now for the dimensions. This light is 21 centimeters in length, 6 centimeters in depth, and 10 centimeters in height. It's got really nice durable build, which ensures that it will last through UK winters. On a full charge, this light will give you 6 hours of runtime, and the solar panel has an automatic on-off dusk sensor. This means as soon as it gets dark, the light will turn itself on, and then as soon as it's detected brightness, the light turns off and the solar panel begins charging for the next day. This is the Mini Trio Solar Wall Light set of 2. It has an incredibly compact design and still emits a beautiful, colourful pattern. Now the LED colours of these little lights is warm white. And in the box you have the instructions, the 2 lights, the adhesive pads and some screws. So just like the larger Trio wall light, there are 3 LEDs on the top of the light and 3 LEDs on the bottom. These lights are completely cable free, and all you have to do to mount them to the wall is put 2 screws in the fence or wherever you're planning to put this in your garden, and then line it up and hook it into place. There is an on-off switch on the back of the solar panel. All you have to do to turn it on is simply slide it to on, and then you have to wait for it to get dark. So these little solar panels have dusk till dawn sensors. Essentially, it means that as soon as it gets dark, the light is going to switch on, and then as soon as brightness is detected, like so, the light is going to switch off and it will begin charging for the day. This Mini Trio light emits 10 lumens of illumination in a gorgeous warm white pattern. Fully charged, these can run for up to 6 hours. And probably the best feature about this light is that it comes as a set of 2. The dimensions of these little lights are 10 centimeters in length by 8 centimeters in height by 2.2 centimeters in depth. And just for reference, this is the size difference. So if you are looking for an incredibly beautiful light that is compact and sleek in design and requires no mains electrics to run, look no further than the Trio Up and Down Wall Light, or the Trio Up and Down Wall Lights in miniature edition. They're cable free, they're incredibly durable, and they come with a year's guarantee. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure just to give us a like. If you have any questions regarding this product, pop them down in the comments below. And if you're here for the promo code, please check the link down below for some extra pennies off. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.